Mchala? Mchala? But you, man, why are you so lazy like that? Huh? I'll call you just to... Very fast, come. Hurry. Go and bring me a chinu so that I can knock these things. Look at her. Oh, I don't know how I got to marry this lousy woman here. Even you can't manage to... Look at it. It's dirty. It's sort of full of dust. Huh? Why don't you make sure that this thing is clean when you bring it to me?
Mom, what has happened? Mom, what did she? Mom, what has happened? What did she? Mom, what's wrong? Mom, Debbie, hurry, come call the doctor. Hurry! Mom, what did she? Don't hurry. I'm sorry for you.
Woman, why are you so lazy? Look at her. I wish I could. I don't know how I got to do. And make sure that you come and help me. What are you doing there?
I'm cooking.
Oh my God. You're cooking. Don't you know that you have to help me put this thing on the sun? Make sure that you look for something to lay on these medicines, okay?
Okay.
You have to put it on the sun.
need your help.
What happened?
My mom is dying.
Calm down. What happened?
We are digging. Me and my sister. My mom fainted.
Relax.
Yes.
Calm down. Okay, explain. What caused the fainting?
I don't know. She just fainted. We need your help.
Okay, Mchala. Let me go and help.
Mr. Kaga.
The doctor is coming. Everything will be okay.
Sister, the doctor is here.
What happened?
We've been digging, and then she fell down and fainted.
Just like that?
Yes.
Okay. Your mother is very sick. How much money do you have?
Dr. Kawaga, I swear we are poor, but I promise we shall pay you in this season.
That won't work. And I'm not rendering any service.
Musawo ngambi tuyambe tujja kusasula.
Okay. I'm just going to give her a painkiller. If she exists in 2 days, she's going to die. Seriously. She's very sick.
Do that. We shall try our level best and look for the money.
Okay. You come, let us go and get some medicine, okay? Yeah. But take good care of her. Wait for me. Make sure you boil it very nicely. Huh? Give her 3 times a day. And don't give her when it's hot.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Kasaga.
Stop. Thank you, Mr. Kasaga. I'm going to look for my money. Go.
We are going to lose Mom.
With the mercy of God, I know we won't. I'll try my level best to see that Mom gets healed.
Okay, tell me. Any plan?
I'm really out of ideas right now. But I know that Savior is coming.
Okay, how about when we sell part of our land?
It's a good idea. But who's going to buy right now?
We should look for a buyer.
Okay, that's option 1. So any other option?
Okay, let me think about it.
How?
Mwize bwise sigenze muzungu
Kati tukoze tutya? Hani tobangulira obuto.
sobola ababuto
Nene nenda eddagala isobola okujjamu olubuto.
nsagala kujjamu olubuto nyinza okufa.
Tosobola kufa. Njagala nkuleeta eddagala olubuto tulugyawo.
Naye musajja gw'enkulabe tonjagala.
Oyagala mama wakimanyi nti ebintu.
Pozi mutundako kyenkana ki?
Tutundako obayiika 2 naye sister wange yasinga omumanya ebirifaako tugende waka tugende.
Kwegamba temutundira wamu.
Tugende sister wange tunalaba kye tunaakutemerako.
Kale mbadde mubize wano naye. Kale tugende tulabe.
Kale tugende. Sister, the buyer is here.
Good afternoon, Mr. Mtebi.
Good afternoon, Madam Nansobuga. How is ma'am?
She's sick. We need money for her medication.
What's the other ma'am?
She can't talk.
Pozi mwagambye mutunda sente mmeka?
We want 50 by 100 for millions.
Ezo sente nyingi nnyo. Ngenda bawa miliyoni emu mu emitwalo ago.
No work done.
Si mu bubi naye nze ezo ze mbadde ngula. Kati awo ziba zigize mugezeeko omuntu omulala.
Kati no tuyambe kwezo zoyina tujjanja mama waffe.
Wano siinaawo yadde n'ekikumi n'ekimu mu nsawo. Kubanga onsanze wali nga ndi bize nina gyendaga mbadde nzize kulambula then nkomewo ngule.
Kusebo kati okimye eki? Okimye eki nga toyina wadde ekikumi?
Kulambula.
Mazima ddala.
Then nkomewo ngule.
Okimye eki toyina nakyo tuyambye mazima ddala. Mbadde manyo oyinamu ne kusente laba. Ojja ozunga mu bupalo olowooza wali w'amaanyi. Toyina wadde n'ekikumi oze bannange.
Neka tusabe Mukama Katonda mami amusuusi.
Amina.
Kale.
I've got an idea.
What is it?
I'm suggesting we go to the bush, collect some herbs, mix them, and give them to Mom. Let's try our luck.
What if we give her overdose?
Herbs have no overdose.
But we have been giving her a bombo and omluluza, but there is no change.
We are going to mix different herbs. Never know one product may heal.
Okay, let's try our luck.